Did you know that the OnePlus Pad 3 has a battery life that can last up to 12 hours on a single charge? That means more binge watching and less hunting for a charger. The OnePlus Pad 3 is quite the buzz in the tech world right now. With tablets becoming increasingly popular for both work and play, it's exciting to see what OnePlus brings to the table. This device promises to deliver a seamless experience, whether you're streaming your favorite shows, working on projects, or just browsing the web. One of the most anticipated aspects of the OnePlus Pad 3 is its performance. In today's fast-paced digital age, we need devices that can keep up. The OnePlus Pad 3 aims to do just that with its powerful processor and ample storage. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a step back and look at OnePlus as a manufacturer. They're known for producing high-quality smartphones that offer great value for money. Their previous tablet models have also been well received, setting the stage for the OnePlus Pad 3. 1. Introduction: a new contender in the tablet arena. Tablets today must strike a delicate balance between performance, productivity, entertainment, and price. In this crowded market, the OnePlus Pad 3 emerges as OnePlus's answer to what a flagship Android tablet should offer without demanding a flagship price. With premium hardware, a large immersive display, and solid software features, the Pad 3 has quickly become a topic of conversation among tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. But the big question remains, is it truly the best value you can get in its price range? Let's unpack this tablet feature by feature, compare it with alternatives, and help you decide whether it's worth your hard-earned money. 2. Design and build: sleek, minimalist but practical. OnePlus has crafted the Pad 3 with a slim and modern aesthetic. At just under 6 mm thin and weighing around 675 grams, it feels premium and comfortable to hold despite its sizable 13.2-inch footprint. Build quality: minimal bezels and a refined finish give it a premium feel in hand. Portability: its weight and slim profile make it feel lighter than many rivals in the same size category. Overall, the design exudes high-end appeal without unnecessary flair, functional and elegant. 3. Display: large, smooth, and colorful. One of the standout features of the Pad 3 is its 13.2-inch 3.4K LCD panel with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and 12-bit color depth, making visuals sharp and vibrant. Resolution and size: the 3.4K 3392 x 2400 panel delivers crisp text and media. Refresh rate: a 144 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming visuals. Brightness: up to 900 nits, peak brightness 600 nits typical, making it usable in various lighting conditions. Though it's an LCD rather than OLED, which would offer deeper blacks, its large size and fluid responsiveness make it excellent for movies, games, and multitasking. 4. Performance: flagship speed without the premium price. At its core, the Pad 3 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, one of the most capable Android tablet chipsets available. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, the tablet breezes through demanding tasks like multitasking, video editing, and even heavy 3D games. Users report that even extended gaming sessions run smoothly without significant heating issues. This performance level rivals many expensive tablets and even some laptops in lightweight productivity tasks, placing the Pad 3 firmly in the top tier of Android tablets. 5. Software and productivity: Android enhanced for big screens. Running on Oxygen OS 15 based on Android 15, the Pad 3 delivers a clean and responsive software experience. OnePlus includes multitasking tools like Open Canvas, which allows users to run multiple apps side by side or in floating windows, a key advantage for productivity. There are AI-powered tools, for example, AI Writer, Summarize, Gemini integration that take advantage of Android's capabilities to enhance productivity and creativity. However, some third-party apps aren't fully optimized for large tablet screens, and deep desktop-like functionality still lags behind iPadOS or specialized PC operating systems. 6. Battery life and charging: a marathoner, not a sprinter. The one area where the OnePlus Pad 3 truly excels is battery life. With its 12,140 mAh battery, it can last a full day of intensive usage, including browsing, videos, and games, without breaking a sweat. Video playback: up to 18 hours. Gaming: around 6 hours on graphic-intensive titles. Standby: claims of up to 70+ days standby time. Charging: 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging takes it from 0 to full in about 90 minutes. For tablet users who value endurance and minimal charging breaks, this is a significant advantage. 7. Cameras and audio, more than just productivity tools. While tablets aren't typically bought for their cameras, the OnePlus Pad 3 includes a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera, adequate for video calls, document scanning, and casual snapshots. Audio, on the other hand, is excellent, thanks to an 8-speaker setup that supports immersive stereo sound, great for media consumption and video conferencing alike. 8. Price and value, undercutting the competition. In India, pricing for the OnePlus Pad 3 starts at around 47,999 rupees for the 12GB plus 256GB model and 52,999 rupees for the 16GB plus 512GB model, making it a strong contender at this price point. Considering the display, flagship chipset, and battery technology, its pricing positions it as value for money compared to pricier alternatives like Samsung's premium tablets or Apple's iPad models, though those have their own strengths. It's often featured as one of the best tablets for performance per rupee in guides. 9. Pros and cons, weighing the tablet's strengths and weaknesses. Pros. Excellent performance for demanding apps and tasks. Smooth, high refresh display with great color and brightness. Fantastic battery life with fast charging support. Clean software with productivity features. Premium build at a competitive price. Cons. LCD panel can't match OLED contrast. Some apps lack full tablet optimization. No cellular connectivity option, Wi-Fi only. Software could be more refined in large screen use cases. 10. Comparison to alternatives. Even at its price range, the Pad 3 competes with other tablets like Samsung's Galaxy Tab series and budget Android tablets. Many reviewers note that while some Samsung tablets may offer features like S Pen support or water resistance, the Pad 3's raw performance and overall package makes it extremely competitive. Against flagship iPads, the Pad 3 may trail in ecosystem polish and software optimization, but its hardware and pricing strike a compelling value proposition for Android loyalists or those who don't want to enter Apple's ecosystem. 11. Quick summary. OnePlus has a history of delivering devices that are both functional and stylish. Their smartphones, in particular, have gained a loyal following. When it comes to tablets, they've had a chance to refine their approach, leading to the creation of the OnePlus Pad 3. The OnePlus Pad 3 boasts some impressive specs. It features a stunning display that's perfect for watching videos or working on creative projects. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful processor that handles multitasking with ease. Its battery life is one of its standout features, as I mentioned earlier. But that's not all. The OnePlus Pad 3 also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up your battery when you're running low. The tablet's design is sleek and modern, making it a pleasure to hold and use. OnePlus has clearly put thought into the user experience, from the placement of the buttons to the overall build quality. In terms of unique selling points, the OnePlus Pad 3 offers some exciting features. For instance, it supports a stylus, which is great for artists and writers. The camera quality is also noteworthy, making it perfect for video calls or capturing photos. The OnePlus Pad 3 runs on the latest version of Android, ensuring you have access to all the latest features and security updates. Plus, with ample storage, you can store all your favorite apps, photos, and files without worrying about running out of space. When it comes to performance, the OnePlus Pad 3 truly shines. Apps launch quickly, and multitasking is a breeze. The tablet's speakers also deliver high-quality sound, making it perfect for watching videos or listening to music. However, no device is perfect. Some users might find the keyboard a bit cramped, especially if they're used to larger keyboards. The camera, while good, might not be on par with some of the high-end smartphones out there. In real-world use, the OnePlus Pad 3 performs admirably. It's perfect for everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking email, or streaming videos. The tablet's display is also great for reading, with clear and crisp text. The build quality is solid, with a sturdy construction that can withstand daily wear and tear. OnePlus has also included some thoughtful features, like a fingerprint sensor for easy unlocking. One of the key advantages of the OnePlus Pad 3 is its price point. It offers great value for money, especially when compared to some of the more expensive tablets on the market. But how does it compare to similar products? That's what we'll explore next. The tablet market is crowded, with many great options available. The Samsung Galaxy Tab series, for instance, offers some stiff competition. Apple's iPads are also popular, with their seamless ecosystem and high-quality displays. However, the OnePlus Pad 3 holds its own against these competitors. Its price point is certainly attractive, and its features are on par with some of the more expensive options. 12. Conclusion: a strong contender for most users. So, is the OnePlus Pad 3 the best bang for your buck? The answer, for many users, is a resounding yes. It delivers flagship-level performance, a smooth and vibrant display, exceptional battery life, and solid build quality at a price that undercuts several competitors. Though software optimization for tablets remains a work in progress and OLED enthusiasts might look elsewhere, the Pad 3 hits a remarkable balance of features, performance, and price. For students, content consumers, multitaskers, and even creative professionals seeking a capable Android tablet without a premium price tag, the OnePlus Pad 3 deserves serious consideration. In my personal experience, the OnePlus Pad 3 has been a game changer. I've used it for both work and play, and it's performed admirably in both scenarios. The tablet's portability is one of its standout features. It's easy to take with you on the go. The display is also great for watching videos or browsing the web. OnePlus has clearly put thought into the user experience, from the design to the features. The tablet feels premium, despite its affordable price point. If you're in the market for a new tablet, I definitely recommend checking out the OnePlus Pad 3. It offers great value for money, with a host of features that make it perfect for everyday use. Overall, I'd give the OnePlus Pad 3 a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's a great option for anyone looking for a reliable tablet that won't break the bank. The OnePlus Pad 3 is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone in between. Its versatility and performance make it a great addition to any digital toolkit. If you're interested in learning more about the OnePlus Pad 3 or other tech products, be sure to check out my other videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the OnePlus Pad 3. Share your experiences in the comments below. Looking for more tech reviews and insights? Check out my channel for the latest content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Your thoughts matter, share them with the community. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until next time, stay tech savvy.